Hello everyone, welcome to Best of CAT, and today we'll do a question on arithmetic that came in CAT 2024 slot 2. Please read the question carefully, and before looking at the solution, just pause the video, try it on your own, and then look into the solution. Let's read the question. It says, Bina incurs 19% loss when she sells a product at 4860 to Sham, who in turn sell this product to Hari. If Bina would have sold this product to Sham at the purchase price of Hari, she would have obtained 17% profit. Then the profit in rupees made by Sham is. So basically, there are three persons. One is Bina. Then we have got Sham. And also the third person is Hari. Now it says Bina incurs a 19% loss and she sold it to Sham at 4,860. Right. And so, as I mentioned in almost every class, whenever you come across this kind of question, just assume the price to be 100x so that your calculation will become on the easier side. So if I say, let's say the cost price for Bina is 100x, and then she sold at a 19% loss. So therefore, there's a loss of 19x on that. And therefore, for Sham, the cost price or the purchase price is going to be nothing but 81x, right? And then Sham in turn sells the product to Hari, right? So it's not given at what price, but now it says if Bina would have sold this product to Sham at the purchase price of Hari, she would have obtained 17% profit. Now, in order to incur a profit of 17%, so Bina has to sell it for a price which is 17% more than its cost price. Then only she'll be able to earn that. So therefore, from this statement, please read it again. It says, if Bina would have sold this product to Sham at the purchase price of Hari, she would have obtained 17% profit. Now, in order to obtain 17% profit, can we say that the price at which she's supposed to sell should be equal to 17% more than the cost price, which would be nothing but 117x? Because the cost price for Bina has got to be this, and in order to earn a profit 17%, you want that. So therefore, from here we got to know that the purchase price for Hari is 117x. Now, question says, profit in rupees made by Sham is. And they've also given that the purchase price for Sham is 4860. That means this value is 4860. And the profit for Sham is going to be nothing but the price at which he sold it to Hari and minus the price at which purchased. So therefore, for that profit, I know profit for Sham will be equals to 117x minus 81x, which is coming out to be nothing but 36x. So that means we are supposed to calculate the value of 36x, which will give me the answer. And I know that the purchase price for Sham is 4860, which is 81x. So from here, I can say if 81x is equals to 4860, so therefore x will become 4860 upon 81, which implies 36x is equals to 4860 upon 81 into 36x. And now we need to just simplify that. So therefore, it is going to be nothing but if you calculate 9 9s are, that's going to be 9 5s are 45, 9 4s are 36. And then it's going to be 9 into 9 6 are 54. So therefore, I end up getting it is equals to 60 into 36. And therefore, that 60 into 36 when you multiply, it will come out to be nothing but 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 80 plus 3 21. Hence, the total profit which is made by Sham in that is equal to 2160. So the question is not, it's just that how do I do that is something which is more important, right? So now try a similar question on that, right? And share your answer in the comment section. Make sure you apply the same logic. Try and do it.